Hi everyone, Candace here with Say It With Stamps on the PHOTOPLAY Paper YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shaker card with the slimline dies. And I'm going to use this adorable stamp set, the one under the C, with the coordinating dies. Super cute. I'm using the Circle Windows Slimline die, and I'm also using the notebook banners. I used this stitch banner there for the sentiments. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was using the premium cardstock sheets. I stamped the images from under the C. Then I alcohol marker colored them. They're so fun to color. I just stamped it on the sheet, colored them up, and then used the coordinating dies to cut them out. And then also I had stamped and cut out the sentiments. All right, so I'm just going to put those aside. So what I had done is, using the Circle Windows die, I cut out this piece using paper from PHOTOPLAY paper, the Tulla Norbert's Magical Vacation. It's the Solids Plus line, and I used the craft as well as the polka dot, which is the same sheet. So then I attached, or adhered, transparent paper on the back of the die to create the shaker. Got lots of dust on it. So I'm just going to take some foam adhesive, and I'm just going to run down on the bottom. All the way up the sides. Down here. As well as down the side. And then, so that my shaker pieces don't go all the way up and down, they stay within each circle, I'm going to also put foam tape in between. It's just thin enough to fit. So then the shaker pieces will sit nicely in each circle. And the next thing, then I'm going to take some of gems I have, my shaker piece that kind of helps. And then I also had these little clear circles that to me look like bubbles. So perfect for an ocean theme shaker. So, and I'm just going to put them in each circle. Oops. Quite a bit in that one. And I'm just going to shake it a bit. All right. I think we need a little bit more in here. You can never have too many sequins. All right, so now the trick is to carefully peel off the backing of the foam tape so that, oh, see, exactly like that. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I'm back after I've cleaned up my mess, and I have taken the backing off of the foam tape, and then this blue polka dot paper, I'm going to turn upside down, and I'm going to position it right over the foam tape. I'm going to press down so that there's no holes. And there you go. Look how fun that is. And so looks like ocean to me. Okay, and then I'm going to take this. I'm going to add some adhesive to the back. And then I'm going to position it on one of the PHOTOPLAY paper card bases that fits the slimline die perfectly. Okay, and now I'm going to arrange little sea creatures on the card. So I'm going to position them first and then look at gluing them down. What a fun card. I love shaker cards. And they're super easy to make if you take the foam off right. Took that one under there. And then last but not least, the little narwhal. And too much glue. All right. We're just going to fold. And I'm going to take my bone folder and just crisp that up. And there you go. Cute little shaker card. How fun is that? All right. Thank you for joining me. Check out the PHOTOPLAY paper Say It With Stamps website. A lot of cute things there. Until next time, see you later.